Hi there, Ezzy from Webex Events here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a really powerful feature within Webex Events Onsite, badge visibility rules. By creating visibility rules, you can control which badge elements, such as user info, text, images, or shapes, print on which badges for which attendees. This is a really flexible feature, and it offers tons of possibilities. So let's take a look at a simple example. Let's say you'd like a diamond to print on badges for your VIP attendees, but the rest of the badge design should be the same as the general admission attendees. Instead of designing two badges that differ by only one element, we'll use a visibility rule on the shape element itself. So let's begin by clicking on Badge. Click on the existing general admission badge to display the design tools. Click Add Shape, then Add New Shape, and choose the diamond. Then move it and resize it. That looks good. Now let's rename the shape. Great. Now it's time to assign the visibility rule. To do this, click the gear icon next to the shape and select Visibility from the list. Under Visibility, select VIP. The options available in this list will vary based on the ticket types in Webex Events registration or on the attendee type you imported with your attendees list. Finally, click Save Changes. Remember, anytime you make a change to a badge, you'll need to publish the badges again for the change to take effect. The Onsite app itself will also need to be refreshed. Now, when we view an attendee, the badge is visible in the badge preview window on the right. This attendee has a VIP attendee type, so the diamond is showing here in the badge preview. Let's look at another example. Let's say you're hosting a special orientation session for first-time attendees and want something to print on the badges for those attendees so staff can know at a glance who to admit to the orientation session. To do this, begin by adding a question to the checkout form in registration that asks, "Is this your first time attending our conference?" The registrant will have a drop-down list with the options yes and no, and this is a required field. If you're uploading attendees directly to Onsite, add a column in the attendee upload spreadsheet with this information. Next, pull up the badge and add a new shape. Let's go with a triangle this time. Then, click the gear icon and select Visibility. We don't have to select an attendee type for this visibility rule. Leaving this field blank will ensure the rule applies to all attendee types tied to this badge. Then, under Rule Conditions, select the custom question from the Fields drop-down list, and then select Yes from the Values drop-down list. Notice the rule preview here. This field is really helpful as it lays out exactly what your rule is doing. This rule says if the attendee answered yes to the custom question, then this rule applies. To add more conditions to this rule, simply choose whether the next condition is an and or an or, then click the Add Condition button. Let's say we also want to include any apprentices in this rule. Select Title from the drop-down list. The attendees targeted with this rule will have the word apprentice included in their title, so click the equals sign and select Contains. Then enter apprentice in the values field. Now when we check out our rule preview, we can see this rule applies to first-time attendees or attendees with titles containing the word apprentice. As you can see, these rules can become very complex, so be sure to check out our knowledge base article for more information on this. Since this rule covers all our criteria for this badge element, go ahead and click Save Changes. Back in the badge list, click the Publish Badges button. Now we're all set. First-time attendees badges will print a triangle, and it's quick and easy to see which attendees should be admitted to the first-timers orientation session. Let's look at one more example. Let's say you want to create a badge design specific to the attendees who are representing your gold-level sponsors at this event. You want to print the logo for the sponsor on the attendee's badge, and you, understandably, don't want to design a separate badge for each sponsor. Visibility rules make it possible to design a single badge for this situation. If you're using Webex Events registration, begin by creating a ticket and assigning it to your gold-level sponsors in registration. In your event navigation bar under Registration, select Tickets and click New Ticket. Select either free or paid ticket, then enter the ticket name, quantity, description, and any other required information. Then click Save Changes. If you are importing attendees manually, assign the attendee type Gold Level Sponsor to your attendees in the import spreadsheet when you upload to Onsite. Next, create your sponsor badge and assign it to your Gold Level Sponsor attendee type. In your event navigation bar under Onsite, select Badge. Click New Badge and enter a badge name for your Gold Level sponsors. Click the Attendee Types dropdown and select the Gold Level Sponsors attendee type, then click the Create button. Now, add all of your badge elements. Then, click the Add Image tab. Click Add New Image and upload each logo. Position each image in the same place on the badge, stacked on top of each other. The Arrange tools will come in handy for this step. Once everything is positioned the way you want it, click the gear icon next to each logo and select Visibility. Select Company from the Fields drop-down list and enter the name of the company in the Values field. Click the Save Changes button. Repeat these steps for each uploaded sponsor logo. Now, each Gold Level sponsor has their own logo on their badge.